Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. Just wanted to share with you one of my favorite pieces of tech, or I guess it's really a tech accessory that I've gotten recently. This is a GoPro vlogging kit that I got from Amazon. I think the brand is Linton or something like that. The link is in the description. It came with a tabletop tripod that actually folds up to be a pretty comfortable handle, a mount for your cell phone so you can connect to the GoPro's Wi-Fi and have a preview of what your camera sees, an LED light that mounts to the outside of the case. I don't really use that. I'm sure it could be useful though. A microphone with a windscreen. It works great. And a case to put your GoPro in. It also has a compartment to hold the GoPro mic adapter. So, the adapter. You have to have the adapter to allow your camera to capture audio through the external mic. But it doesn't matter which external microphone you buy, you would still have to use this. And believe me, it's really worth it. Listen to the difference between the GoPro's built-in microphone and the microphone that came with this kit.
This is what I sound like with the standard audio from the GoPro.
And this is what I sound like with the included microphone. It's a pretty big difference. The only bad thing I have to say about this kit is the fact that when you're using it, your GoPro's not really waterproof. This is because you have to remove the door that covers the USB-C plug. That's where the adapter plugs in at. So if you plan on getting in the water, it might be a good idea just to carry the door with you in your backpack or in your kit. And you can just put it back on. You won't be able to use the external audio, but I would imagine the audio wouldn't be that big of a factor underwater. My final thoughts on this product: if you have a GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 and you want to capture pretty decent footage with it with a lot better audio, it's well worth it. I picked this up for around 40 bucks. Right now it's $51 on Amazon. I'll include a link to the vlogging kit as well as the adapter that you would need from Amazon. Remember, it doesn't matter which microphone you're going to use, you're going to have the adapter if you have this style GoPro. Again, the links are in the description below, and I would really appreciate it if you dropped a like and a subscription to the channel. We're going to be doing more product reviews, some travel videos, and who knows what else. Thanks and have a good day.